I don't know how I'm gonna feel about it. I think this might have been the worst buy out of them all, to be honest. Not this. Let's see, we're gonna take a look at the 1986 4i Coupe. Original V8 car. Original V8 5-speed?
I think so. Pretty sure.
Yeah. Off of Lewis's friend. Might have hustled me. About to find out. The car's been sitting around the corner here. How long has it been there?
Oh, about a year or so.
Probably over a year in the Florida sun.
Thanks to COVID.
Thanks to COVID. So I am here in Florida. The weather's beautiful, so I'm happy about that. These will be first impressions. Oh, the hood looks fun. Did I tell you I was going to do a patina build? So that's how it's looking. Oh boy. How's it come apart?
Oh, watch out for insects.
Oh. Free friends. I think there might be a hornet's nest.
Let me go get some.
One just went under there.
Let me get some spray.
So the joys of Florida, especially outside of the urban settings, we have a couple of different species that run around here. Got snakes, got wasps, got probably, I think he said he had a gator. Gator lived out over in there. So anyways, he's had this tarp on the car. I've never seen this car in person. I actually never even really had too many pictures of it. I just thought, you know, 86 4i Coupe, original V8, 5-speed car. Not supposed to have too much rust or corrosion on it, so we'll take a look here, get this thing unveiled, and we'll see what I got myself in for. You see him?
Yeah. He's gone.
If a snake comes out, I'm gonna jump.
I'm not making any promises.
It's clean under there.
Yeah,
Sway bar in the back.
for the most part.
Is there a sway bar in the front?
I don't remember.
Okay, strut towers are all real clean. Little bit of stuff right there, but that's nothing. Yeah, so the car was running and driving. The previous owner stripped it down, took all its good parts off, or good parts in his opinion. That's a nice piece of tile here.
I'm gonna have that, I'll give it to you.
Sweet. I'll put it next to the bear bin. Oh yeah, they got bears out here. Look at this. It was a bear, right?
Yeah.
Florida, bear.
The neighbor actually caught him on the video.
Well, look, there's even like a bear Kodiak products. Not trying to advertise or promote, but I guess that's against bear proof. Okay, I got this side off.
Hold on, something with, holy shit, hornets.
What is it?
I gotta grab the spray. Hornets, that's where they're living.
Where? Oh, nice. Dicks. Done, evicted.
Yeah, but they come back. Up they go. Take a peek in the back.
Oh, look at
window.
Wasp City. Oh yeah. I even got some Pioneer 6x9s. Dare I open the door?
Oh.
Watch that fender, I guess. Oh, it's okay. So these are dyed, he said?
I think so, yeah. Other than the armrest, it's not a horrible job.
Yeah, no, it's not. Oh, there's the new nose cone. Holy shit.
Nope.
They're living in there.
Hold on, he's still flying around. I'm telling you, they're relentless.
Indoors, outdoors, living everywhere.
Oh, the transmission tunnel's open. So that that quarter was scanned, if I remember right.
Yeah. I guess they left the label. That was nice of them. body line's rounded. You can tell. But what else do we got hiding? We actually have a, he gave me a computer. Hood release cable. Fender extensions.
Yeah, I'm not sure what all he threw down there.
It's an A3M.
I would have known that was in there, I would have taken it out.
Okay, that's good. I actually got moldings. I didn't think he included moldings or any of that trim. We got lights. Actually have inner fenders. Should we take this out and promote it?
Sure, if you pull it, I'll spray just in case.
All right. Little Ford badges are still here. Let's see here.
There.
Look at that. All new trim. Trunk carpet.
Carpet.
Those are the rotors for the Cobra brakes, right?
Yep. That's
window trim.
Those are the top of the doors, but they're 80, 70, 93s. I had a second set. I didn't know if you needed them.
Oh, so these are from you?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a nice gift.
And I forget, I think that brake line, I forget if it's for the firewall or for across the rear end.
Tan. So this had a tan interior.
Oh, this car used to be tan on tan. No, brown on tan.
This is, oh, right, that whole story.
Yeah, like
chocolate brown. Chocolate Fox. It was a chocolate Fox on cookies and cream interior. There goes another one. He's going home. These are nice. Oh, so those are the rear brake brackets that have been cut with the anti-moan brackets and everything.
that's correct. Those are the ones.
These ones from Bob.
Yep.
All right. Other than that horrible radio install, actually the dash is cracked. I might be able to use one from my parts car. Can of worms.
So you see this thing here?
Let me try this one. Oh, that's nice.
See that thing there? It looks like a stone.
Yeah.
Those are the mud daubers.
All right.
Different kind of hornet.
Bastards. Oh, what was that? It flew by my head.
Oh, I'll tell you what. You lift this up just in case. Last time there was a home in inhabitants.
Is it bolted?
Yeah, not very well, but yes.
Okay, we're in. Prop rod. So this is a Champion hood
Yeah. See, those guys will make a nest anywhere.
with mud.
There's one in there. Hear him?
Yep. Just trying to get out, folks. AC still hooked up. Well, the engine bay looks pretty good. We got all our AC components actually still all hooked up. I don't know how well this would be holding up. But hey.
Frame rails are clean. Aprons are straight.
There's a little bit of stuff. I think I remember that in the pictures below the steering column boot.
So the only major hole is the one in the floor behind the back seats, about this big, that he cut out. It was rusty. He cut that to make a patch, and where the transmission tunnel is, he left that. That's how the shit got inside.
Yeah. Brand new. Because he had run all this.
Yeah, for the
with those brakes.
Yeah, he had the Cobra brakes on it in the front.
All right, guys. So here we are. All the parts are laid out that came with the car, and there's a lot of new stuff. Some old stuff as well. The car is overall fairly complete in terms of being a roller, so didn't expect any drivetrain stuff, but does have an 8.8 in it. Don't know about the gears. Does this thing have gears?
I have no idea.
We don't know.
Oh no, the other rear end used to have 355s. I don't know what that is.
All right, so we might need to spin the axles and check the rotations of things and see if there's any gears in it, but it is an 8.8. You know, again, brand new GT front bumper cover. That'll get sold. You know, got some extra rear seat covers. The rear vinyl is actually nice because it's not too bad. That'll actually go okay with the leather Recaros that I got for the front. Suede sun visors. The headliner was done in suede at some point. Needs some love. It's actually done quite well, but the cardboard is creased, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to fix that. But you know, kind of it is what it is. Bunch of shit in here. Somebody's eaten the paper. Dash pad's been redone. If they hadn't have done this mess on the speaker vents, this actually would have been pretty nice with the stitching. Might have to maybe try and get that recreated. So in terms of things that need to be fixed on the car, you can see a lovely hole right here. That's a very common area, the hidden rust that we talk about sometimes in Fox bodies. So it's just on this side. The other side is fine. And then we got a hole back there in that corner, which everything else, again, super solid. And those are really just the two main points of concern. The floor pans are solid otherwise. It's some of that Florida rust, as we call it. You never know where it's hiding. The other spots that Florida rust can be hiding is up in these areas. Up on underneath the top of the taillight area, underneath these sections, which they seem to be okay. So those are in good shape. I got extra sets of spindles in here, more wasps flying out. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
I'm back in.
3 of them. Yeah, we upset their home. So yeah, I got some spindles, some brakes, some Cobra calipers here, Cobra rotors, new in the, well, pretty much new in the box. Brand new headlight, turn signals, brand new black seatbelt kit, full interior screw kit, and gonna have to sort out with the rest of the interior because everything was dyed. It was all beige. So that's no big deal. I'll probably find new pieces, start from scratch instead of trying to take off what's been done and go from there. So that kind of gives you guys an overview. And oh yeah,
That's free.
Free of charge.
Yeah.
This is kind of cool for you bug lovers out there, insect lovers. Mud dauber larvae in the mud. Kind of gross, really. Here's the bad sections of the car in the back that was cut out, just to give you guys an idea. So it is solid metal all around the perimeter there, so it really shouldn't be that big a deal to weld that section in. But gonna go around everything real close, get a bunch of pictures, show them all to the painter this week, and see when he's willing to take the car. And probably gonna end up stripping out everything in the engine bay here, getting that all ready so that he has less things to worry about when he gets it. So that way all the engine bay and everything can be prepped out properly and painted, as the color will be changing. The car is going to be going white, and want to make sure that everything is done. So the fenders are loose, nothing's really bolted on there tight. That's to make sure that there's access to the door hinge areas that need the door posts fixed, and we'll make sure that those are all painted off the car. I'm still undecided whether I keep the cowl hood or go with the stock hood. It is just a question of the look on how it'll be once there's a DECH kit on it. So I'm gonna have to think about that one. Maybe give me your opinion, and we'll go from there. There you guys have it. First look and impression. I'm gonna have to have a beer and digest, maybe go through a few more boxes. But here it is, the 1986 Coupe, original 5.0 5-speed car. The emission sticker underneath the hood is actually the proper 5.0 compliant sticker. Has the proper 7,000 RPM tack in there, and a few other little goodies. It really just needs an exterior overhaul, which really shouldn't be that big of an ordeal. Nothing that I can't handle. Suspension as well, which again, no big deal. And car's going to get a DECH kit, so it's going to lose some of that originality. But sorry for those purists that get pissed off, but you wouldn't be following my channel otherwise. So as we continue to evict all the unwanted guests take
snake.
a look. Yeah, no snake, which is good. And need to go see the painter this week and talk things over with him, which Spike's refinishing. If you haven't heard of Spike, then make sure you look him up. But hopefully we can make part of this video that visit as well. But should be a pretty cool car. Stay tuned.